We've just launched a free membership site, Tsutsumu, all about Japanese gift wrapping. Whether you are planning a trip to Japan or simply love the art of wrapping, you will find helpful resources like where to buy washi paper and wrapping materials, a downloadable monthly wrapping themed calendar, and a library of my YouTube videos, all in one place. You will also have access to free online courses, including creative wrapping ideas inspired by origami folding, and a deep dive into mizuhiki, the decorative cord that plays a key role in traditional Japanese wrapping. It's completely free to join, so feel free to sign up and explore the beautiful world of Japanese wrapping with us. You can find the link in the description. See you there!